Magnets do not stick to all metals. Off to you, Cosum.
A common misconception many people have is that magnets attract to all metals, but that is not the case. Magnets only attract to ferromagnetic materials, which are iron, nickel, and cobalt.
Why do people have this misconception? People often have this misconception because they notice that magnets stick to metals. Therefore, they get the assumption that all magnets stick to all metals. This is not a fact because, for an example, a refrigerator. People automatically think if they want to stick a paper onto a refrigerator, they could use a magnet and it would automatically stick. But this is not the case. Certain refrigerators do not contain iron, cobalt, or nickel, which are the ferromagnetics that do stick to magnets.
Now, let's ask the students at your college if all metals stick to magnets.
No, I only thought it was ferromagnetic metals.
Isn't it only iron, nickel, and cobalt?
Yes, all metals stick to magnets.
No.
I don't know!
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
In front of your very own eyes, I will demonstrate that not all metals stick to all magnets. So for example, I have a magnet here and a piece of iron here. So now these attract. And the reason behind this is a ferromagnet, whereas copper is not a ferromagnet, so it won't attract. It will just fall down. And also with aluminum, it's not a ferromagnet, so it won't attract.
Only ferromagnetic metals stick to magnets. This is because for a magnet to stick to a metal, the metal must be able to be temporarily magnetized. An object is magnetized when all the tiny dipoles turn to point in the same direction. Now, as we know, magnetic poles attract opposites, so north attracts south, but north repels north and south repels south. So, say a north pole of a magnet is placed near a ferromagnetic metal that can become magnetized. The dipoles turn so their north pole is as far away from the magnet, making the south pole closer to the magnet. This makes the dipoles line up and the metal becomes temporarily magnetized. However, with metals that aren't ferromagnetic, the dipoles are always lined up in pairs. Each dipole is lined up opposite to another and their poles cancel each other out. This means that the metal cannot be magnetized and magnets can't stick to it. But now you might be asking yourself, how could a teacher explain this to their students? A teacher could explain this to their students by showing them an example similar to the one that we did in this video. A teacher should explain what ferromagnetic means, so that the students are aware that only some metals can become magnetic.